Hi there, Goodgolf here with the release video for Formation Movement version 2. The ultra short version basically is: go to the video description and click on the GitHub link to get the code. The README page describes the steps to use it in your own project. Okay, now to the long version. I will show you the steps to get formation movement working using standard Unity navigation. I have already created a simple scene, and the next step is to make sure we have a terrain and obstacle layer. Assign the terrain layer to the floor and the obstacle layer to each of the obstacles. Make sure the objects in the scene are marked static. Then bake the navigation. Next, create a prefab from the sphere. This prefab will be used for both the leader and the follower. Use the menu to open the Formation Setup window and create the formation. Add the Formation Follower script to the prefab and make the following change. Follower stuck mode set to random walk. Add the prefab as a child object to the leader object in the hierarchy and reset its coordinates if needed. Move it a little bit up. Disable the Formation Follower script on this instance of the prefab. Make these changes to the formation. Add the prefab to the follower prefab. Formation type set to circle. Update the layer masks. Disable the debug mode. Add the name of the terrain layer in the terrain layer property. Also make sure you have added the target object from the hierarchy in the formation agent's destination property. Now you can run the scene. Change the formation type to wedge and run again. Change the formation stuck mode to move to leader path and run again. Formation Movement version 2 also supports A-star pathfinding. You don't need to make any big changes. Import A-star into your project, then in the Formation Setup window you will need to click on the A-star pathfinding button. Wait for the code to recompile and you're done. When you create a formation using the Setup window, it adds the necessary components to the formation: AI destination setter and AI path with events. And that's it. For the formation animation support, you will need to import the Unity animation movement code provided through the page linked in the GitHub README file. It contains the animation controller with the blend tree and animations needed to make the character move in sync with the formation. Once you import the code, you will only need to set up the animation for your character prefab and add the formation animation script as shown on the screen. Okay, that's it for today. If you plan to use this code, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. If you have any suggestions to add to Formation Movement version 2, then please let me know in the comments or do a pull request in GitHub. I'm off to work on the next VR related video.